the office and what do you see? Laptops, tablets, phones, wireless printers, and more. In any small business, there are a staggering number of devices that increase workload demands. Because no one likes bottlenecks, we'll talk about how to increase network performance through multi-gigabit Ethernet technology on this edition of Tech Talks next. Put simply, a fatter pipe means better performance. That's why Cisco 350 and 350X series switches are being created to support multi-gigabit Ethernet technology to give you and your network faster performance. And the best part? You can do it using existing cabling, saving time, effort, and money. These new switches have 10 gig uplink and 2.5 gig downlink. Think of it this way. Multi-gigabit technology gives you bandwidth capacity for constrained wireless networks and almost future-proofs your network. As wireless standards evolve, you will be able to add new wireless technology as needed. And what about the practical applications for this technology? Video continues to consume bandwidth, especially with 4K and 8K videos becoming more common. And there's the medical industry with huge files for CT scans and MRIs. Multi-gigabit technology may not be right for you and your business now, but stay tuned and watch for more announcements from Cisco about this development. Thanks for watching Tech Talks from Cisco. We'll see you next time.